Nothing Phone Mini. Just hearing that name makes you curious, right? I know many of you watching are tired of giant phones that barely fit in your pocket, and honestly, I feel the same. That's why the idea of compact device from Nothing feels so exciting. In a market flooded with 6.5-inch and above flagships, a smaller phone could be the refreshing change both you and I have been waiting for. The appeal of compact devices has always been strong. They are easier to carry, more comfortable to use with one hand, and stand out in a crowd bulky slabs. But behind the charm lies a tough reality. Carl Pei has openly admitted that smaller phones are not cheaper to build, and demand for them is far weaker compared to their larger rivals. Apple's iPhone mini proved this harsh truth. Despite glowing reviews, sales never took off, forcing Apple to phase it out. Still, tech history has shown that trends move in cycles, and with phones growing every year, a compact alternative could once again feel like the fresh option people did not know they needed. So, will nothing actually make this happen? At the moment, the chances are slim. The company's focus is locked on its flagship series and the more affordable A lineup, both designed around mainstream screen sizes that appeal to the majority. Nothing is still building its global presence, shaping its identity with striking design, the glyph interface, and the clean experience of Nothing OS. Launching a mini right now would demand heavy R&D spending with no guarantee of strong sales, which does not fit their current growth strategy. That said, community buzz is not be ignored. With enough demand, Nothing could consider experimenting it in the future, maybe as a limited edition release or under its CMF sub-brand. If it ever happens, expectation would be sky high. Fans would want flagship grade performance packed into a small frame, smooth performance, solid cameras, and strong optimization. Battery life would be the biggest challenge, as compact phones naturally struggle with smaller cells. Pricing would also make or break it. Positioned at around $400 to $500, a Nothing Mini with the brand's unique design language could win over the niche of users who feel left behind by Apple, Samsung, and others. For now, the Nothing Mini is just speculation, an exciting what if in the smartphone world. But if Carl Pei's team decides to gamble, this little phone could become a cult classic, proving that in a world where everything keeps getting bigger, sometimes staying smaller is the smartest move. So what do you think about this one? Are you excited for the Nothing Phone Mini? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.